Meaning of insider dealing.
Insider dealing.
Insider dealing.
Insider dealing.
Insider dealing. Insider dealing is a term used to describe the illegal practice of trading securities based on material, non-public information. This means that someone with access to confidential information about a company, such as a director or employee, uses that information to make trades that give them an unfair advantage over other investors. This kind of behavior undermines the integrity of financial markets and can cause serious harm to innocent investors. Insider dealing is a criminal offense in many jurisdictions and can result in hefty fines, imprisonment, and reputational damage for those found guilty.